Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to I Know Gadgets, the channel where we review the latest and greatest gadgets for you. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best mini PCs in 2024. Mini PCs are small, portable, and powerful computers that can fit in the palm of your hand. They are perfect for people who want to save space, reduce clutter, and enjoy a smooth computing experience. Whether you need a mini PC for work, entertainment, gaming, or anything in between, there is a mini PC for you. But how do you choose the best mini PC for your needs? Well, we've done the research for you and selected the top 5 best mini PCs based on their features, performance, design, and price. We've also included the links to buy them in the description below and the first comment, so make sure to check them out. So, without further ado, let's get started with our list of the top 5 best mini PCs in 2024. The first mini PC on our list is the KAMRUI Mini PC. This is a compact and powerful mini PC that can handle multitasking, streaming, and browsing with ease. It has a quad-core Intel Celeron J4125 processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and 128GB of eMMC storage. It also supports up to 2TB of external hard drive, or SSD, via the SATA port. The KAMRUI Mini PC has a fanless design that ensures silent operation and low power consumption. It also has dual HDMI ports that allow you to connect 2 monitors and enjoy 4K resolution. It also has 4 USB 3.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and a gigabit Ethernet port. It comes with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed and supports Linux as well. The KAMRUI Mini PC is a great choice for anyone who wants a mini PC that is small, fast, and versatile. It is also very affordable, costing only $199.99. The only downside is that the storage capacity is a bit limited, so you might want to upgrade it or use an external drive. The next mini PC on our list is the DreamQuest Mini Desktop Computer. This is a sleek and stylish mini PC that comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. It has a quad-core Intel Core i5-8259U processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and 256GB of SSD storage. It also has a fast boot time of only 15 seconds thanks to the SSD. The DreamQuest Mini Desktop Computer has a wireless keyboard and mouse that make it easy to use and control. It also has a dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and a built-in microphone and speaker. It has 2 HDMI ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and a gigabit Ethernet port. It supports up to 4K resolution and dual display. The DreamQuest Mini Desktop Computer is a great choice for anyone who wants a mini PC that is elegant, convenient, and powerful. It is also reasonably priced, costing only $199.99. The only downside is that the fan can be a bit noisy under heavy load, so you might want to place it somewhere away from your ears. The third mini PC on our list is the Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC. This is a high-end mini PC that can handle demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and 3D modeling. It has an octa-core Intel Core i9-9900K processor, 32GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1TB of SSD storage. It also has dual SSD slots that allow you to expand the storage up to 4TB. The Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC has a powerful cooling system that ensures stable and efficient performance. It also has multiple ports that offer great connectivity options. It has 2 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPort ports, 6 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB-C ports, a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. It supports up to 8K resolution and quad display. The Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC is a great choice for anyone who wants a mini PC that is super fast, super large, and super capable. It is also surprisingly compact, measuring only 6.3x 6.3x 2.4 inches. It is also reasonably priced, costing $199.99. So if you have the budget and the need for speed, this is the mini PC for you. The second mini PC on our list is the GMKtec Mini PC. This is an ultra-small and ultra-powerful mini PC that can fit in your pocket. It has a quad-core Intel Core i7-105-1U processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. It also has a silent cooling system that keeps it cool and quiet. The GMKtec Mini PC has a fingerprint scanner that allows you to unlock it with a touch. It also has Bluetooth 5.1 that enables fast and stable wireless connections. It has a HDMI port, a USB-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and a gigabit Ethernet port. It supports up to 4K resolution and dual display. The GMKtec Mini PC is a great choice for anyone who wants a mini PC that is tiny, smart, and powerful. It is also very affordable, costing only $158.99. The only downside is that the battery life is not very long, lasting only about 3 hours on a full charge. But if you don't mind plugging it in, this is the mini PC for you. And finally, the number 1 mini PC on our list is the ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC. This is a mini PC that is designed for gamers who want to enjoy high-performance gaming on a small device. It has an octa-core AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. It also has a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card that can run most games smoothly. The ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC has a dual LAN port that allows you to connect to 2 networks simultaneously and enjoy faster and more stable internet. It also has RGB lighting that adds some flair and fun to your gaming experience. It has a HDMI port, a DisplayPort port, 4 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. It supports up to 4K resolution and dual display. The ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC is a great choice for anyone who wants a mini PC that is awesome, colorful, and powerful. It also comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse that enhance your gaming control and comfort. The only downside is that it is a bit noisy, especially when playing intensive games. But if you don't mind the noise, this is the mini PC for you. So that's it for our list of the top 5 best mini PCs in 2024. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to check out the links in the description and the first comment to buy these amazing mini PCs. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel, I Know Gadgets, for more videos like this. We upload new videos every week, so hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.